this is my channel. You can see actually I've gotten 7,343 views in the last 28 days. And this particular channel, I'm just using this channel is like a form of experimental channel to educate you guys on the other channel that you are watching this particular video on. And this is the name of the channel. You can go and check it out, Better Master. Actually, I post better videos on it, and I just practice some things to see if it is working perfectly well, so that I can use it to educate you guys on the other channel. And you can see I've explained this particular thing. I've posted videos regularly, and YouTube, like, they give me this sign on the top here. So I've explained it. If you have not seen it, go and watch that particular video. It's going to be helpful. Go and watch it. You can see that thing here. YouTube give it to me, that particular thing. So you can go and watch about it. And now, how will you know you are having a loyal audience on your channel? So first of all, you come to your audience. You come to your audience. And if you come to your audience, look at this. Look at this particular graph. You can see this particular graph, how it has been going. And if you see for the last 28 days, you can see for me, I have more loyal audience. If you see that returning views are above, the graph of returning views are above that of, let me bring it closer. If you see that the returning views, these are those who are returning to view your videos, are more than those who are just new. That means it's showing you that you're having a royal audience on your channel. And if it is stick like this, it's showing you that your channel, the royal audience and the news viewers are almost all the same. And if you are seeing a graph like this, it's showing you that the new viewers are more than that of the returning viewers. And the returning viewers are those who are royal. So royal people are those who already know about your channel, and they benefit a lot from it, and all the time they always come back to check on your channel to see what is working on that particular channel. And you can see this is the number of subscribers that I've got in 28 days. So 98 subscribers in this particular YouTube channel. And it's very important to know all this. If you know all this, you can come back to like research it all the time to know how your next video is going to be, or how to publish your next video. And all these things are very important to know as just a YouTuber or beginning YouTuber. And I'm going to be educating you guys all on this. And if you come back here and you move to you just send this to 365 days, it's going to load. And let's give it time to load. So you can see it has loaded, and if I'm scrolling, you can see that the figures are changing, and you can see that this time around I'm having more loyal views than the new views. So returning viewers are more than the new views. But if you are scrolling, you are going to see some places that the new viewers are going to be beating. Example, like place like this, you can see that the new viewers were actually high on this day, 8,000 new views and 667 returning views. And this particular day, I just posted some YouTube short. That was why I got this kind of new viewers. So that's why you can see that place, the graph is actually looking that way. And this is the number of subscribers that is not updated yet. That's why you are seeing this number here. It's not updated yet. That's why you are seeing this number. You are seeing this number there. And that's it, guys. That's it, guys. So that's how you can access your channel to know if you're having a royal, like you are having a royal followers or subscribers or not. So thank you for watching. And if this video helped you and you want to grow your YouTube channel and you want to know strategies that are working and the things that are not working, just make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification bell, because I'm going to be sharing what is working on this channel, on that particular channel, so that it can help you guys to grow your audience. Because I've been in this situation for long. That's why I just want to also help others to also achieve the same goal. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.